Welcome to Frankenbahn, a HO-scale model railway that captures the essence of Germany's countryside, bustling towns, and the charm of its railways during the iconic Era 3 of West Germany. The layout is a testament to craftsmanship, passion, and an enduring love for trains. From its sprawling main station to the industries and scenic mountain rack railway, Frankenbahn offers a window into the world of rail travel that has fascinated enthusiasts for decades. Beyond the sweeping vistas and countless small details bringing the layout to life, each telling a unique story. Frankenbahn has a deeply personal history, and it all started in 1988 when owner James's father, Rob, built a simple test train as a wedding gift for his mother. What began as a small circle of track soon grew into a family project, inspired by the love of trains and a connection to their German ancestry. The collection started with a British steam locomotive, an Australian diesel, and the Fleischmann BR50 steam engine. The German steam locomotive stood out for its quality and detail, and this combined with their heritage and friendship cemented the idea for a German-themed railway. As the layout expanded, so did the ambition to include a few new features, such as large radius curves to accommodate the full-length scale coaches that were becoming available. The layout was designed with versatility in mind, and Frankenbahn forms part of a modular system built to connect with other layouts created by members of their local model railway club. One of the most memorable modules was a vibrant German country fair, complete with Ferris wheel, merry-go-round and a caravan setup. And this modular design allows Frankenbahn to adapt to different exhibition spaces, providing endless possibilities for creating new and dynamic configurations. Even today, the layout can evolve, with interchangeable scenic sections ensuring it remains fresh and exciting. Frankenbahn's construction is as impressive as its operation. Built on an open grid frame made of Marantini wood, the base scenery is formed using a combination of chipboard, plywood, and high and low density styrofoam. The plaster base covers the terrain, layered with real oven-baked soil to ensure it's free of bacteria. Ground cover materials include Woodland Scenic's foam, polyfibre and fine river sand for ballast. Details in the engine facility were crafted with incredible attention to realism, using real coal for added authenticity. And the lighting is provided by custom timber frame towers, ensuring that the layout is evenly illuminated, enhancing its visual appeal. The track work is carefully designed for smooth and reliable operation. Pico Code 100 track and points dominate the layout, paired with Pico PL10 point motors. In the fiddle yard, Rocco points and point motors provide additional functionality. The track is laid on a 5mm cork base, with string lines ensuring perfectly straight tracks through the main station. And the mainline curves boast a minimum radius of 1200mm, allowing even the longest coaches to run seamlessly. Buildings on the layout are a mixture of kits from renowned brands like Fahler, Kilbury, Polar, and Volmer, alongside custom scratch-built structures. Each building has been carefully weathered to reflect its place in the scene, with some featuring handcrafted interiors for added realism. Scenic elements such as rock faces were sculpted from clay, kiln-fired, and painted, while caves were constructed using chicken wire and plaster. Figures were primarily from Preiser, were all hand-painted, and vehicles were from manufacturers like Viking, Herper, and Fowler to bring the streets to life. The rolling stock is a showcase of European railways, primarily from Era 3, which is 1945 through to 1970. However, the collection also includes Era 2 and Era 4 items, as well as trains from neighbouring European countries. Iconic international trains like the TEE, Rheingold, and Orient Express highlight Germany's pivotal role in connecting Europe's rail network. Frankenbahn operates on a DC cab control system, allowing multiple operators to control different sections of the layout simultaneously. There are dedicated cabs for the two main lines, yards, turntables, loco facilities, and even the overhead catenary. The mountain branch line is a standout feature, equipped with an automated shuttle system that allows trains to travel between stations and a castle halt, recreating the charm of Germany's alpine regions. Frankenbahn was a popular feature at exhibitions for over 16 years, from its debut in 1988 to its retirement in 2004. Although it no longer tours, it continues to bring joy to club members, friends and guests during private run days. Frankenbahn is more than a model railway. It's a labour of love, a family project and a celebration of German railways and craftsmanship. Its attention to detail and rich history make it a truly special creation in the world of model railways. So thank you all for this journey through Frankenbahn, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below, so we'd love to hear your memories and stories of the German railways, or possibly even seeing this layout throughout its time on the exhibition circuit. So until next time, thank you all for watching. Hooroo!